Congruence and transformations. Congruence means same shape and same size. Same shape, triangle stay triangle, rectangle stay rectangle. The same shape, same size, same measure. 5 centimeters stays 5 centimeters. 8 centimeters stay 8 centimeters. Transformations. If I translate, if I move this triangle from place to place, never the triangle will be a rectangle. Yes, the triangle stay triangle. And the size, BC, for example, 5, it will stay 5 in translation. Also, reflection. If I reflect this triangle along a vertical line, the triangle stays triangle and the size stays the same measure, not bigger, not smaller. Even if I rotate it, triangle stay triangle, AC stay same measure as A prime C prime, A prime B prime same as AB. So rotation, reflection, translation never will change the shape or the size. Only one transformation that changes is the dilation. Dilation, I will make the figure bigger, make it smaller, then will be the two figures will be not congruent. Let's take the first example. I have here 2 stars. Okay. The question is, can I say that 2 stars are congruent? Yes. How I know? I will move it. The two figures will match, right? So what I did, I used translation. I moved, right? I moved the green one and put it to match the yellow one. So I use here what? Translation. Okay. I move it. Second one. I have your 2 letters, P and Q. If I move it, they are not matching, right? So here you have what? Reflection or rotation. I will do something small to help me. I will know that I will use reflection or rotation. Just do a small arrow. You see this arrow? Here and here. They are opposite, right? When you have opposite, that means you have to use what? Reflection. I will reflect it. Okay? You see this line? This is a vertical line. This is a vertical line. Let's reflect it. You see? Now it will be same direction. It will be same direction. This one like this. This one. Same direction. Now I will move it. And they are matching now. You see? Then I can say now the two figures are congruent by using what? First one, reflection. Reflection vertically. Right? The second one, translation. Second one, next. D and P. I will do my arrow. This one here and this one here, right? They are opposite. Clear? So I will use reflection. reflection. Let's reflect the green one. Now, if I move the green one to the yellow one, they are matching? No. Still no. Still you have to do something. Look here. For this part, you see this? I will do another arrow. Here one and here one. Also they are what? Opposite. Now I will do another reflection. But this time it will be what? Up, down, along a horizontal line. A horizontal line. This is a vertical line. So along horizontally. So let's flip it. Now I can translate or move or slide. They are now matching, right? So in this part, I use first one, reflection. Second one, also reflection. Here reflection vertically, and here horizontally. And the last one, I translate. Next one. I have here two figures. Here my arrow. Always try to draw this arrow. It will help you. Right? They are opposite, up, down, right? So let's rotate it. Sorry, reflect. Up, down. You see? Now move this one, and now they are matching. So what we use here? First one, I use reflect horizontally, right? For this horizontal line. Second one, translation. So always you have this one. Always you have this one. Always translation. Next one, I have here two polygons. The first one, 4 sides. The second one, 5 sides. The two figures are not congruent or different shapes. This 4 sides and this 5 sides. Next one, I have here X and X. Same shape. Here X and here X. But here different sizes. See? So also here they are not congruent. I have here two figures. Let's draw my arrows. Here's the first one. Why I will not draw here the second one here? Because you see this is the longest. In this shape, who's the longest? This one. So I will draw it from this side. They are what? Opposite now, right? So I will flip it up, down. Up, down. Now let's reflect it. Up, down. Now move it, and they are matching now. Yes, they are congruent, and we use number one, reflection horizontally, and number two, translation. You see, always I have translation, always. Next one, I have here two figures, two triangles. I will draw my arrow, the first one here, and second one is here. The two arrows are not opposite, so you have here what? Rotation. I will rotate it. I can rotate like this, okay, or I can rotate it like this 90 clockwise, and like this 270 counterclockwise. Both are right. So let's rotate it 90 and translate it. Yes, they are congruent. So yes, they are congruent, and we used what? First one, rotation. Second one, translation. Rotation 90 clockwise or 270 counterclockwise. Both are right. Next, here is this one is complicated a little. I will draw. Let's choose this one. You see this one, and this one is here. Because this part is the same as this part. So the two arrows are not opposite. I have to do rotation. Rotation. I rotate it. Now they are matching? No. You see, they are not matching. So still I have to do something else. My arrows will help me. This one here, this part, is the same as this part. They are opposite, right? You have to do what? Flip. Okay. Okay, I will do my line here. Flip it. You see? Now move it. They are matching. So what you used here? I used number one, rotation. Number two, I used reflection along a vertical line, vertically. Number three, translation. Two figures are congruent if they are same size and same shape. The two figures are same shape and same size. That means they are congruent. How I know that the two figures they have the same size, same shape? They must be matching each other. So two figures are congruent if one can be obtained from the other. If one can be obtained from the other by a series of rotation, reflection, or translation. Like in this example, I used rotation, reflection, translation to prove that the two figures are matching. You see? Never will not use dilation, because dilation the figure will be bigger, not the same size. Okay, clear till now? Example. I have triangle CDE. C is 1, 4. C is 1, 4. D is 1, 1. And E is 5, 1. Bring a ruler. And connect the 3 points. graph CDE, it's here. Find the length of sides CDE. CDE. This C and this D, and here we have E. So CD, the length of CD, how many squares you have? 1, 2, 3. 3 units. DE, it will be how many squares you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. I want to find now CE. This triangle, this 3, this 4, and this is the right triangle, right? And this, let's name it D. If you remember, Pythagorean theorem said that D power 2, hypotenuse power 2, equals 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2. D power 2 equals 9 plus 16. D power 2 equals 25, which gives you D equals, make square root, give you 5. So CE equals 5 units. Part C. Reflect triangle CDE over the y-axis. Here the y-axis, you see? So every point will be reflected to the other side, here. Then translated it to units. For example, D, I reflected to this, it will be here. Then move it to left, 1, 2. So D, reflect, it will be here. Then move to 1, 2, it will be here. C, reflect Y, it will be here. And move it 2 units left, 1, 2. E, reflected y-axis. From E to Y, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. Count 5 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. Plus, I will move, translate it 2 units left. 1, 2, it will be here. Connect them using a ruler. Now, the points are this one, this is D prime, this, and here E prime, and here C prime. Write the coordinates of C prime, D prime, E prime. C prime, it will be C prime, here C prime, here C prime. You want X, go to X, minus 3. You want Y, go to Y. So minus 3, 4. Minus 3, 4. D prime. D prime. This D prime. You want X, go to X, minus 3. You want Y, go to Y. Minus 3, 1. Minus 3, 1. Now, E prime. E prime. You want X, go to X, minus 7. You want Y, go to Y, 1. So minus 7, 1. Find the length of the sides of triangle C prime, D prime, A prime. A prime, D prime. E prime, D prime. Count how many squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4. Next. C prime, D prime. Count how many squares. C prime, D prime. Here C prime. 1, 2, 3. That means 3. The last one. E prime, E prime, D prime. Here we have 3 and here we have 4, and this will be D. Same what I did here. Same as what I did here. At the end, C prime, D prime will be 5. Because here we have 3, here we have 4, and this is a hypotenuse. And here's a 90. Okay? So, we found now the 3 lengths. Are the 2 triangles congruent? They are yes. Why? Same shape, triangle, triangle, right? Same size. Same size. Five and 5. You see? 5, 5. Here we have 5. Here we have 5. Here we have 5. 4 and 4. 4 and 4. Also, CD3, C prime, D prime, also 3. 3 and 3. Same size. Because same size, same shape, same size, and same shape, they are congruent. Okay? Thank you.